You want Johnnee?
Hey Johnny, take that bad attitude and go do something with it.
Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Later. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we have a really interesting one because it's going to be so different than what we normally do. We're going to be doing a full wrap on this brand new Jeep two-door JL or JK. Is it JL?
I believe so.
JL, please correct me if I'm wrong. But
Justice
anyways, we have never done a full start to finish Jeep project. We've done repairs on Jeeps. We've worked with dealerships and stuff like that to do small projects for them. But this is going to be our first full disassembly, full wrap, full reassembly out the door. So we're very excited for this one. It's going to be very cool because it is a soft top. So I like taking apart Jeeps because they're just so different from other cars because they're just meant to be that off-road car. Everything comes off super easy, goes back on super easy like it's meant to. So I'm super excited for that. Also, our friends over at Rovi Cams stopped by yesterday, dropped off some of our dash cams for us there. So we're going to be doing an install on the Rovi Cam on Daniel's truck. So we'll see that, just how easy it is to get that pretty much plug and play and ready to go. So hopefully this is going to be interesting. Hopefully we know what we're doing. I guess let's get started. So one of the first things that I see, I don't think the whole soft top is going to be an issue. The places where I do see it being an issue are the back window and the quarter windows. And I do believe that these come off all separately. One of the things that I know I probably shouldn't be teaching the world. I think these things are pretty easy to come off. They just kind of have like hook clips there on the bottom and then hook clips on the side as well. So you'll see there. Kind of just comes off around there, and they say to slide it out to the left. So it's as simple as that for the rear window. I think it's going to be pretty much the same process for these sides. So remember, when I'm teaching you these easy tricks on how to take apart cars, use them for good, not for evil. Please don't go up to some Jeep that you see and start taking off stuff from their cars, because a lot of these cars are easy to work on. But please don't do anything illegal out there, guys.
You started a trend of you fuck.
What I'm doing is like, this is really easy. I don't want to just teach the world that like, oh cool, I need a new window for my Jeep. I better go to the mall.
Yeah, dude, somebody's gonna go to the mall and steal everybody's like soft tops and be like, Mitch was here.
Oh my god, don't say that.
Please stop me.
Then,
You want Johnnee?
hey Johnny, take that bad attitude and go do something with it.
Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Later. These things are easy to come off too. Watch this. Jeeps are so cool. I want to get one. Just so I can take it apart a bunch. Okay, I want to make sure we're not scratching the plastic glass. Alright. I guess next we could pull the taillights. Now that we have access to that. What you're going to see for the taillight is it seems pretty straightforward. I noticed these things have a lot of play already. But one of the things they do have way back here is they have this cap. So we're going to use like a little flathead or pry tool. Careful not to scratch any of this interior plastic. Pop that off, and I believe there's going to be a Torx bolt going in there. That's going to hold this taillight in. One of the things on these cars that Jeep has thrown in, they have a little ratchet with tools on how to take like for what you need to take the car apart. So they have this tool right here, which is the T40. So it's gonna be for a lot of these bolts you see here for taking off the spare tire. I'm not gonna use this tool too much. I don't wanna break any of their tools that come with the car. I'm just showing you guys simply that they do include tools to do all this stuff. I'm gonna be switching over to our own tools here pretty quick. But like I said, just wanna show you guys the functionality of it. Oh! You got a Herbie in this thing. You saying get off the car.
I don't know what this was doing anymore.
Oh, you did that.
I didn't move it today though.
No, this is.
Yeah, I know.
It's the ghost.
It's the ghost. The cash waves last time.
We don't have ghosts at the shop. So while I'm putting this back away, I'm gonna show you guys kind of what it looks like. Just a little Jeep, little kind of tool bag that has all of your things for it. It has a T50, I believe, a T40, but pretty neat. We're gonna switch back over to our tools and continue on this. These cars are really easy to take apart. But remember, don't go jacking any Jeep stuff. Premium Auto Styling is not responsible for any of your lost or stolen Jeep parts. Let the record show. I'm just the messenger here, so sorry guys. All you Jeep owners, start locking your stuff.
What's up guys? So while Mitch is working on the Jeep over there, actually doing a daily drop off, basically customer wanted to go ahead and do an eyelid on the top of this headlight here. So we're just gonna get rid of this ugly plastic look up here. It's basically a gloss black cover. Not only does it protect the headlight from damage from the sun, but it also looks really sick. And it's actually super easy install. So if you guys wanna go ahead and pick up a set of these, go ahead and check out our website, premiumautostyling.com. We have all the products there and everything you need to install them. So. Alright guys, so eyelids are done. Basically they just go on the top of the headlight and they look amazing. Like I said, they do protect from the sun and everything like that. This customer actually had a little bit of oxidation. That's all gonna be taken care of now. But anyway, back to Mitchie. By the way, can you do me a favor and let Mitchie know that he's yeah, thanks.
Thumb. Look at that. You're natural.
Man. Yeah. It's got the magic. Thoughts?
The main things now that I've taken it off, holding this in, are these bolts that go along this to kind of anchor it in, as well as there's a wiring harness back there, and then the clips all along. So pretty straightforward now that I see it off and see what's holding it together. So the only thing I was hung up on was this front bolt here. It's kind of hidden behind the fender liner, so you really have to make sure you get that one. But other than that, pretty straightforward. Sorry, I felt like Johnny was gonna do something. Alright guys, so we have the Jeep basically disassembled. The last things that we have left are all of the brackets and things like that. These ones are gonna be all kind of tackled as we get to each panel, whether we're taking the doors fully off, taking the brackets off, stuff like that. But right now, so that the car can sit together, all those brackets are on, everything else is off. We have all the flares off, lights off, everything like that that's gonna get in the way of the wrap. But it's a pretty easy car, pretty straightforward. Just like I had said at the beginning, these things are meant to come apart and be modified and things like that. So came apart super easy, and I think it's going to go back together even easier. So excited to work on this thing, and we're going to start wrapping tomorrow. So you guys will see the update video coming sometime this week. But yeah, I'm excited. There it is. That's it for this one. Also, make sure, as we're getting closer to the 200,000 subscribers, make sure you're subscribed. Edwin is going to give you a quick spiel about our 200,000 subscriber giveaway. Let them know how they win and what they win. Edwin.
Alright, so what you guys win is a free car wrap giveaway from us, where anywhere in the world, wherever you live, anywhere. God damn it, why'd you have to flip it on me? But anywhere you live, basically, make sure you go. Where are we going? God damn it, why? Alright, so I'm gonna pass it to Johnnee. He'll finish the rest for me. I'll start it off and go, Johnnee. You got it.
So basically, if you win, the wrap giveaway will go to wherever you are. If you're in Australia, Japan, Hawaii, I'm really naming all the places that I would want to go. If you're in Riverside, I mean, you'll win. It'll suck for us in making content, and it'll look like we totally rigged this, but we promise we're not rigging this. We're legit going to whoever wins, and we're going to wrap your car for completely free, and then Mitch is going to finish off that whole spiel about it.
I don't know if we should bring up even the possibility of anything being rigged. I feel like people are going to go nuts on that now. And now, of course, the winner's going to be in Riverside. Yeah, that's it for this one. I'm sorry about this outro, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, yeah. Edwin is going to go wherever you are in the world, and he's going to go wrap your car for free. So I apologize to whoever wins this.
Ouch, man. That stings.